So guys, for the first method, you want to head up with search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the second method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next method, you're going to head up with search and type in find and fix problems with Windows Update. Click on it. And now this will come up, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. You want to click on next, wait for this to load, and then once that's been done, if it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. For the last method, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in SFC /scan now and then click on enter. Now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.